The 2022 Honda HR-V. There's the Honda. And the sound of the engine. 1.8 liter. Sounds pretty smooth. Got how many miles on it? Let's see. Got 13,000 miles. Nice car. Well, CarMax.
Got the magic seats.
You got the magic seats.
Careful.
I'll be dinging it up. Go on the other side. Go on the other side. There's the magic seats. That's the magic seat. Not more room in there. Still smells nice and new. That's how the magic seats work?
Oh, flat too.
That's the magic seats. Engine sounds pretty smooth. It's a Honda.